There's 5 free websites that you should know, parts 1 to 3. Iconfinder.com has over 6 million icons and a lot of them are free to download. Autodraw.com allows you to sketch something and have AI turn it into a beautiful drawing. Font.com allows you to upload an image of any font and quickly determine what type of font it is. Dotty.org allows you to scan files to see if they contain any viruses. Copychar.cc allows you to copy special characters and emojis that aren't on your keyboard. Ooh, I gotta keep seeing these hidden gems. Where's that follow button? Here's 5 free websites that you should know. GIFrun.com allows you to create high-definition GIFs from any YouTube video. Archive.org, an internet archive with millions of free books, movies, and websites to download. Giphy.com, this website allows you to search for your favorite GIFs and download them for free. OmniCalculator.com, 2,000 free online calculators for pretty much anything you can think of. Read Aloud is a text-to-speech voice reader that allows you to highlight text and have the software read it for you. I appreciate the knowledge, you just gained another follower. Here's 5 free websites that you should know. Alright bro, just please don't waste my time. I Love PDF has every tool you can think of to edit PDFs and it's 100% free. Keep 'em coming. Playphrase.me lets you search for a phrase and shows you all the clips that have that phrase in it. I like it. WCOFun.net lets you watch cartoons and anime in HD for free. Copy.ai has free artificial intelligence copywriting tools. Let's go. Manualslib.com has millions of free manuals you can search through. Oh, I'm gonna follow so I don't miss the next one.